Good morning, Year 4A. Welcome to your Monday morning. I hope you had a good sleep. I hope you studied well yesterday. I hope you rested in between, maybe did some exercise. But in general, I'm hoping that you are ready for another great day of learning. So today's schedule is going to be a little busy. You will today start with maths. You will be learning. So yesterday you will find in the area of rectangular shapes. Today it's going to be about rectilinear shapes. These are kind of irregular shapes. You will see it in the PowerPoint presentation. You will be working with these shapes today. Then you should have Arabic. After that, we have a double guided reading session. So you will see it from Miss Shireen's video. You will understand from Miss Shireen's video. Good morning, yeah, Foray. How are you all? I hope you are keeping well. I hope you had a good sleep. I hope you studied well yesterday, took a rest, relaxed your mind, did some activities to make you feel good. I hope you exercised a little bit, and I hope your minds are open for today's learning, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. I hope you're ready. Anyway, you will start your day with maths today. So yesterday we were learning about how to find the area of rectangular shapes. Today it's going to be about the rectilinear shapes. You may be unfamiliar with this, but you will see it in the PowerPoint presentation that rectilinear shapes are kind of irregular shapes that have many angles. And you will be finding the area again. Anyway, your second lesson is Arabic. Then we have third and fourth lesson, a double guided reading session. So what do you have to do? You have to log into MyOn and then choose a book, whatever book you like that is on your list that appears on your screen, and then proceed to the activity. There's either comprehension or book review. It depends on your book and on your level, really. If for some reason MyOn is not working and you can't access it for a couple of hours, you can actually read your own story that you have at home and then make a review, book review. You know, the reviews we've been doing in the class, so you can just do one of them. All right, okay. Anyway, also on top of that, I would like you to record a 1 minute video. Okay, this video should only have 1 minute. It shouldn't be less than 1 minute or more than 1 minute. Just try to aim for 1 minute exactly. I want to hear you reading your MyOn book. And if you could not access MyOn, it would have to be your own book. But I'm expecting to look at nice videos of you reading really nice and engaging stories. All right, then you will have social studies. You will learn about Romans a little bit more, and you will learn about Hadrian's Wall. It's this wall that was built by Romans, and it's really interesting and very important to know about. And then you will have moral education. You will learn how to consider how our behavior might affect other people. This is a really nice thing to think about, actually, because many times in our life we react to things, we get maybe a little bit mad, but we sometimes don't realize that the way we behave may affect others in a very negative way. Okay, so always try to consider other people's feelings. Always try to think, okay, is my behavior going to upset someone? If not, then my behavior is right. If it's going to upset someone, then you may think twice about how you're going to behave. But anyway, right. I actually have a riddle for you this morning. Okay, you're probably not going to be able to see it on my screen. But anyway, I'm going to tell you a riddle. And under the post so I made a post on Class Dojo where I'm welcoming you to your new day, like a good morning message. I would like you to write your replies in the comments for me, okay? So you will find it on the Class Dojo story wall, and all you have to do is comment with your answer on it, okay? Right. Riddle. What is full of holes but still holds water? Okay. Once again, what is full of holes but still holds water? Okay. So as I said, please try to answer, comment on the post on Class Dojo story wall with the answer. This way I will know that you watch my good morning video. Anyway, again, I'm wishing you a great day ahead. I am going to be available on Microsoft Teams from 8 o'clock until 3 p.m. You can chat to me, whatever you need to know, whatever is not clear, or you're finding it hard, you're not sure. I am there to chat to you. Okay, have a great day. Enjoy.